Can I use my PS4 controller to play games on Oculus Quest 2?
Hello, gaming enthusiasts. Today we're going to answer a question that's been coming up a lot lately. Can you use your PS4 controller to play games on Oculus Quest 2? The short answer is, yes, you can. Now let's delve into the steps on how to set this up.
Can you use a PS4 controller with Oculus Quest 2?
Although the Oculus Quest 2 is generally used with its own motion controllers, it is also possible to use a PS4 controller with the device. While not all games and apps support gamepad controllers, there are still a significant number of them that do. It's important to note that the experience might differ from what you'd get with the Oculus motion controllers.
How to connect a PS4 controller to Oculus Quest 2?
Connecting a PS4 controller to Oculus Quest 2 is a relatively straightforward process, thanks to Bluetooth. Here are the steps. 1. Turn on your Oculus Quest 2 and put it on. 2. Go to the Settings menu. 3. Navigate to the Device tab. 4. In the Controllers section, select Pair New Controller. 5. Select Pair Gamepad. 6. Now, you need to put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. To do this, hold down the Share and PS buttons on your controller until the light bar starts flashing. 7. Your Oculus Quest 2 should now recognize the PS4 controller. Select it from the list of devices to pair. Once paired, your PS4 controller should be ready to use with your Oculus Quest 2.
What are the limitations?
While using a PS4 controller with Oculus Quest 2 is possible, there are some limitations. Firstly, not all games support gamepad controllers, and secondly, the experience may differ from what you would get with Oculus motion controllers. Gamepad controllers might not offer the same level of immersion or interactive capability in VR games designed for motion control. In conclusion, while it is possible to use a PS4 controller with the Oculus Quest 2, the best gaming experience is often found with the original Oculus motion controllers due to their designed compatibility with VR games. Still, having the ability to use a familiar controller like the PS4's can be a good option for some players and games. So, grab your PS4 controller, get it paired up, and start exploring new gaming horizons on your Oculus Quest 2. Enjoy your gaming, and until next time, keep those thumbs nimble.